So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch to pickup in DoorDash. So once you've downloaded the DoorDash app, you can see it looking something like this. Open it up. From the bottom of the screen you can see home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. You can see the search in the middle. You can see your shopping cart in the top right. Now through here, in order to switch to pickup, you will need to choose a certain order. So let's go to our restaurant. So you can see here, Governor's Restaurant. I'm just going to use this as an example. So let's open it up. And you can see here, $0 delivery fee, pricing and fees. So it's for this order, there is no delivery fee. So it's probably better to get it through there. But if you want to get it yourself, you can just switch to this option on here. So you can see here now it's switched to pickup. Of course, pricing and fees is $0 since you're picking it up yourself. And you can see here it's going to be ready for pickup in 16 minutes once you make the order. So after you've switched to that in the restaurant menu, you can see the featured items. You can pick it up yourself. You can even see some reviews of that restaurant. So I'm using this restaurant as an example. It's going to pop up on any meal you wish to have. So you can switch between delivery, but the menu may alter a bit since not every meal is that easy to transfer. So for pickup, it's going to maybe give you a bigger options and a bigger menu for you to choose from. So through the pickup, just choose something, and from there, just use the checkout as you always do. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.